History of Teflon. It was discovered by Roy Plunkett in 1938 when he was working for the kinetic chemical in an attempt to make a new CFC refrigerant. While he was working, the pressure in the tetrafluoroethylene gas tank dropped to the point of empty while still retaining the weight. So he saw it apart to find a waxy white material that was quite slippery. It was shown that the TFET polymerized under high pressure with iron as catalyst. This means that the iron is not a part of the reaction, but it made it faster and more readily happen.
Teflon is made from tetrafluoroethylene and the addition polymerization that formed the chain of polytetrafluoroethylene, which is also known as TFE. The TFE is made from the displacement using the fluorine-free radical to displace the hydrogen atoms in the ethene molecules. When TFE polymerizes, the double bond between the carbon atoms reduces to only single bond, allowing one more free bond on each carbon to connect to another. The TFE molecules then form a long chain.
Teflon is mostly used for non-stick purpose on frying pans. This polymer conducts low friction, therefore it can slide against objects without a huge friction. Other than frying pans, which is a major use of Teflon, it can be used for container linings for corrosive chemical, a lubricant tape when screwing joints together, and it can prevent insects from climbing up Teflon covered surface. It's so slippery that insects cannot get a grip of it. Societal and/or environmental impact of the polymer. Due to the use of Teflon as the component for the non-stick pan, people have extremely high chance to come into contact and be affected by its bad effects. It is a common knowledge that you need to heat up the pan to cook, but most people don't know that Teflon coating on that non-stick pan releases toxic chemical into the air and food. The more often you use your pan at high temperature, the faster the coating will break down and rub off into your food or into the air that you sniff in, along with that yummy pasta warming in the oven. If you put that Teflon non-stick pan or container into the oven, you have successfully sprinkled your food with some lovely carcinogen, which is a cancer-causing substance. Teflon at high temperature is known to give out a cocktail of 15 harmful particles and gas. In humans, they cause headache, chills, backache, and fever, the condition called Teflon flu. It is unlikely to happen during normal cooking, as frying oil only heat up to around 160 Celsius, give or take, while Teflon starts degenerating at 260 Celsius and rapidly degenerate at 350 Celsius. So don't put that Teflon in the oven. And furthermore, in 2005, the EPA fined DuPont a total of $16.5 million after finding the company has known for over 2 decades that PFOA is harmful and still kept quiet about it. So overall, Teflon is very useful, but it is harmful for our environment and to us. Thank you for watching.